Roachy tiptoes through the ruins, the wind whistling. He suddenly freezes as a loud clang echoes nearby.
What was that? A mutant? A ghost? My stomach growling again?
He crouches low, antennae twitching nervously, looking around the shadows.
Okay. Stay cool, Roachy. Totally normal. Just spooky doom noises.
Another sudden scrape sound. Roachy jumps 3 feet in the air.
Nope. I need something, anything, to defend myself.
He grabs a bent spoon from the ground, holding it like a sword.
Until further notice, this is my weapon.
He gulps, looking into the darkness. The camera zooms in on his nervous eyes.
But will it be enough?
Check out how he solves this on our channel.